Hi, so my name is Sophie Dundon. I did Leaving Cert Irish Grounds with John for 5th year and 6th year of my Leaving Cert, and it really did have a tremendous impact on my grade as well as my confidence in the Irish language. I was always a bit hesitant on writing. I found it very difficult because of how complex the grammar is and how it's hard to kind of understand the fundamentals, and I didn't really see the importance of spending so much time on the grammar because I just wanted to focus on progressing to a really high level. But John really highlighted how important it is to get the fundamentals of a subject to have the ability to progress, and that's exactly what we did. So I actually went from a H4 in my final TY exams to a H2 in the Leaving Cert exams with a 90% in the oral. And in the oral, he really, because we spent so much time on the fundamentals, it gave me so much confidence going into the oral. I wasn't nervous because we did so much practice. I think every ground we spent at least 20 minutes just talking and him trying to push me further and bring in new topics that could possibly be brought in the exam. And he went above and beyond that. Some topics definitely did not get covered, but he did prepare me for any kind of slight interjection that could occur. So I was really happy at the end of my Leaving Cert with my grade, my confidence, and my confidence in writing, which in my oral I wasn't too overly uncomfortable. However, with my writing I was very scared because that was always my low point in the overall paper. So yeah, if I were to recommend one thing about the Irish Leaving Cert, I would say get grounds from John, and I'm not just saying this as a promotion, but he genuinely really helped my confidence in the subject.